So if your iPhone 17 Pro Max camera is lagging, freezing, or taking slow photos, you're not alone. On my hand, this is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix camera lag step by step. So first, let's understand the problem. Sometimes the camera starts stuttering, the viewfinder freezes, or photos take longer to capture. In most cases, this is not a hardware issue. It's usually caused by software bugs, AI processing, or iCloud syncing in the background. Now let's fix it. First solution: force close the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom, find the camera app, and swipe it away. Then open it again. This alone can fix minor lag instantly. Second solution: restart your iPhone. And if the issue is still there, do a force restart. Press volume up and release. Then press volume down and release. Now press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This clears temporary system glitches. Third solution: adjust your camera settings. Go to Settings, then tap on Camera. Turn on Prioritize Faster Shooting. Now on the same screen, turn off Macro Control. Also turn off Lens Correction if your camera feels slow while focusing. These settings can reduce processing load and improve performance. Fourth solution: check your storage. If your iPhone is almost full, the camera can lag badly. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Make sure you have at least 5 to 6 gigabytes free space. Delete unused apps or videos if needed. Fifth solution: manage iCloud photos. Sometimes the camera freezes when syncing with iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, then Photos. Turn off iCloud photos temporarily. Restart your phone, then check if the issue is fixed. Sixth solution: update your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Install the latest iOS version. Apple usually fixes camera bugs and updates. Last option: reset all settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings. Now, if your camera is still lagging, freezing, or showing black screen, then it might be a hardware issue. In that case, you should contact Apple support or visit a service center. Alright, quick recap. Close the camera app, restart your phone, adjust camera settings, free up storage, manage iCloud, and update iOS. These fixes solve most camera lag issues. If this video helped you, comment down below what issue you had. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.